How to delete WhatsApp account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings. And here, click on account, then click on delete my account. You will land on this page right here where you will be able to remove your WhatsApp account. At the top it tells you what will happen when you delete your account, and at the bottom it gives you the steps that you need to take in order to remove your account. As you can see, it tells you to delete your account, confirm your country code, and enter your phone number. So you need to enter your phone number here after confirming your country code. And once you do that, click on the red button that says delete my account and your account will be removed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove WhatsApp account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.